In the last video, I had shown you how to export data from Scopus. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to export documents by top authors, by top countries, and by top institutions. In the last video, we had seen that there were 974 documents. You can further refine these results by going to these options, by selecting the year, by selecting the author name, by selecting the document type. Suppose you only want the research articles and you do not want conference paper, review papers, book chapters, etc. Then you have this option, selecting the article type. And you can also select those papers which are in the final stage of publication. And then you can go to this option, limit to. Okay, so now there are 713 documents. Now let's see how to export data by top authors. You can see this option in the left panel, author name. Go to this option, view all. Now these are the top authors by publications. So suppose you want top 10 authors or top 20 authors, you can select these documents, you can select these authors manually and then go to this option, limit to. Now there are 25 documents by those authors which you had selected. Okay, so now you can go to this option all, and now you can go to this CSV export, and you can also select this abstract and keywords. Go to export. Now your documents have been exported in the CSV file of these top authors. Similarly, if you want to export your data by top countries, then you can go to this option, country or territory. Go to option view all. You can see the United States is at the top with 110 documents. United Kingdom is the second. You can select these countries manually. It's your option, it's your needs. You want top 10 countries or top 20 countries or top 50 countries. Now go to this option, limit to. Now there are 473 documents of those selected countries. Then go to this option all and then go to CSV export and then go to export. Okay, now you also have the countries list. Now if you want to select the documents by top institutions, go to this option in the left panel, affiliation. Go to this option, view all, and select those institutions whose documents you need. Top 10, top 5, top 20, it's your option. It depends on you. Go to limit to. Now there are 50 documents. Go to all, go to CSV export, and then finally click export. Now your documents have been exported.